So we've got our lighthouse light working. We're just going to make a setting sun now, because obviously the lighthouse only comes on when the sun sets. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to add light and sun. Okay, so we've got a sun now. And what we're going to do is, first of all, we are going to go to keyframe 1 in the timeline here, and we're going to go into the little light bulb, and we're going to adjust the strength to 5. Okay, and press enter. All right, so it makes the sun a bit brighter. And we're going to press I to set our keyframe. Okay, there we go. When you do this, just make sure your mouse is on the strength thing. Okay, just there, the strength indicator. So it should go yellow with any luck. Now, if you then move the timeline to frame 100, we're going to do roughly the same thing. We're going to go back in there, but we're going to do the opposite. We're going to set it to 0, and we're going to press I. Oops, sorry, we'll press enter first, and then I to set another keyframe. Okay, so if we play our animation now, hopefully we'll get the sun, and then if it sets, then the lighthouse should turn on. Okay, so we've got our animation complete with lighting. If you run into problems with this, just remember to set the keyframe when your mouse is hovering over the strength value just in the bottom right hand side. Okay, and remember, if you do make a mistake or if it doesn't work, Control Z, use that to go backwards. So that's how to set have a setting sun in the scene. You could do other things here. You could maybe animate the sun to turn red as it sets. Okay, you could have another light in the lighthouse that rotates in the opposite direction, because many lighthouses have 2 lights on them or 2 reflectors on them. So have a little play around and just see what you can create with it.